What's up, viewers, subscribers, and agents alike? It's your boy Enlightened Luciferian Perks coming at y'all once again. Hope y'all been enjoying the series. Hope y'all been enjoying the content, so forth and so on. And hope you're taking your notes. You've been doing your research. You've been doing your studies. Hey, it all pays off in the end, for the most part. Now, if you're watching this video around children, I messed up. If you watch this video around children, please remove them from your immediate vicinity. It is what it is. Hey, babe.
Hello.
Glad you're here. I'm glad you're here. Because,
Me too.
Oh, no. But no, I'm just saying, particularly over. You all right?
My chair won't slide, and I was.
Yeah, over the past few videos, I was talking about consumer laws, right? I don't know if you've been watching the videos or not. You've been busy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I have a witness here who basically can attest to the fact that consumer laws are very effective. And I have to use this as an example, and I've been using examples over the course of my videos and so forth and so on. And that's all I could ever do is use my own personal experience, okay? Me and my wife were dealing with some ventures like earlier this week, and one corporation that basically like blatantly like denied us. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I'm the type of person, I don't like taking no for an answer. I don't take no for an answer whatsoever. And me knowing the effectiveness of consumer laws and how they work and how they adversely affect the actual corporation, as far as basically them saying particularly what they say that their regulations and their rules are, they don't override consumer law. Those things that they say are regulations in regards to how they function their business is not superior to consumer law or consumer protection. So after we received the big no, me, the individual with the legal brain and the typing fingers, you know what I mean? I sent them a nice email loaded with consumer law, right? Because one thing is, I don't like the word no when it comes to business, and for a particular reason, for good cause. So I believe within the next business day before what? Before at least 8 o'clock, right? It wasn't even 8 o'clock yet, was it?
No.
It wasn't even 8 o'clock. It wasn't even 8 o'clock. She didn't even leave to go to work. Instantaneously, just like a magic wand. Not only did they re-review the application itself, but they also did what?
Decrease the amount.
Magic, ain't it? They never emailed me back. Like, of course not. They wouldn't. But it's just amazing. Consumer laws are very effective when used properly. And I try to explain to people, you are the consumer. You have to realize people cannot tell you in the commercial world. They can have the restrictions and so forth. You can either choose to do it or not. But you have to realize what position you play in regards to being the consumer. You have to realize what position you play. And by you not realizing that position, they get away with a lot of stuff. And to a lot of individuals out there with backgrounds such as myself, let me tell you something how your background could be used to your advantage. Your background could be used to your advantage because it's discriminatory. Say, for instance, if you wanted to go get employed, I don't care where you want to go get employed at. I do not care. It could be you don't have to settle for menial jobs neither. You don't have to. You know, a lot of people come out of, jail or prison or something, and they got a little stain on their record. You serve your time. It's over with. But the purpose of the criminal system is to disfranchise you once you get out anyway, so you can go ahead and relapse, and you wind back up in there and you stay for a long time. That's a trap. If you go to an employer and they say, and they give you any type of written documentation that says that we can't hire you because of your background, sue them. Sue them. That's discriminatory practice. Now, a lot of people be like, well, you got a record. Doesn't matter. If you read the paperwork that you get from court after your sentence, it says that you're fully adjudicated. You're no longer held guilty. Even if you were or weren't, even if you took a guilty plea, it doesn't matter. The sentence is over with. So by them discriminating against you, you can sue them. I guarantee you they'll turn around and call you in if you know the proper consumer laws. Because again, you're an employee. It is not up to their discretion to basically say, particularly like, hey, we're going to basically we're going to deny you. First off, you got access to a social security number. You didn't get authorization from it. They said, well, you put it on the paper. No, there's a form that you're supposed to fill out. It's called the Social Security Administration Form -89, which I'll do a video on. If any entity takes your information and tells you that they can't give you a service, then you need to put them on notice. You know what I mean? You need to put them on strict notice. And if you don't put them on notice, then that's your loss. You lost out on the lawsuit. You lost out on the opportunity to monetize the disadvantage that they tried to offer you. You see what I'm saying? Now, in the meantime, file a lawsuit and keep on pushing. You see what I'm saying? Watch what happens when you know the proper consumer laws. If any form that you have an application for, you have to realize if you have to give authorization for them to use your social. Don't just write your social down. You need to give an authorization because you don't know what they're doing with your personal information is what I'm basically saying. And they love to do that to people who don't know any better. You know what I'm saying? These people, I've dealt with so many jobs in the past, and all they'll do is tell people, oh, you have to come in and fill out an application. Okay, but you're saying this position is available, but why do I have to fill out an application now? Is it available? I don't know if it's available. So they kind of keep you in there to get your information. So when they get access to your information, they deny you. You just walk away like, man, it is what it is. But you don't know that these people can actually keep your information and hire and pretend like and get an earned income credit off of you at the end of the year, like you actually worked. And the people are like, well, you got to have working hours. You don't think these people know how to work them spreadsheets? You think them people don't know how to work the spreadsheets? And please don't let it be any type of entity that has, no accreditation whatsoever. Shady practices. I remember one job that I actually applied for. It was years ago. And I was like, well, give me my application back. Oh, this is property of the company. Huh?
Oh, it had their name on it.
It got my name on it too. So we got a problem here.
We got to go to court for custody.
Okay. Okay. And this is right when I started my journey. So I know how these people play. But let me tell you something. Consumer laws are very effective when used properly. And that's the title of this video. Consumer laws are very powerful when used properly. I ain't going to put all that, but I'm just going to say consumer laws are very powerful. Without further ado, I just wanted to keep this video short, sweet, to the neat. And you heard it from me and my wife. They reversed that decision in less than 24 hours. When I'm talking about business day. It was like instantaneous. Just got to know how to do it. Next video is going to be on, forensics. Basically, I was telling people how to pull things apart. And I'm going to, mull it over in my mind during lunch with my little munchkin cake.
I don't want no cake.
All right, y'all. I'm signing off. I'll see y'all soon. Peace, light, love. We'll see y'all soon. Take care.